Modern smart home interior, cinematic lighting, smooth camera movement, futuristic vibe. Hey guys, welcome to our channel, A Smarter House, your permanent solution for all smart home queries and problems. Minimalist home, multiple smart devices activating automatically. Premium tech aesthetic. A smart home isn't just about one expensive hub or a few premium gadgets. It's about a complete system that saves time and effort every single day while looking cool. Digital transition, sleek tech animation. So today, here are some of the most convenient smart home automations. Let's get started. Automated blinds opening with sunrise, sunlight filtering through windows, temperature and light icons overlay. Number 1. Smart blinds. With just a tap or automatically, they block UV rays, reduce heat loss, and provide complete privacy. Blinds opening and closing automatically based on sunlight and temperature. They can open and close based on time, sunlight, or even temperature, keeping your home comfortable without any effort. Skylight blinds adjusting automatically, clean Scandinavian-style interior. IKEA's smart blinds are a great option. Their solar-powered skylight blinds adjust to changing light and weather conditions, helping you save electricity. Night hallway, motion sensor light turning on automatically, cozy atmosphere. Number 2. Motion sensor lights. They're perfect for improving security and incredibly convenient indoors. Person walking half asleep, lights turning on automatically. Even your late-night walk to the bathroom becomes effortless. No switches, no reaching out. Outdoor yard at night, motion-activated security light turning on dramatically. Motion sensor security lights can also reduce outdoor lighting electricity bills by up to 86%. LED strip lights under bed, inside drawers, behind TV. Soft ambient glow. Number 3. LED strip lights. They're ideal for closets, kitchen cabinets, under beds, and behind electronics. Drawer opening with automatic light. Bed softly glowing, open a drawer, and the light turns on. Walk into your room and your bed lights up, setting the perfect vibe. Color-changing LED strips with brightness control animation. Govee offers affordable brightness control, while SenSky allows advanced customization like motion sensitivity and time delay. Living room lighting smoothly dimming from bright to warm. Number 4. Smart dimmers. Different times of the day need different light intensity. Voice assistant icon, lights dim automatically. Smart dimmers adjust brightness automatically or through voice control, improving comfort while saving energy. Close-up of smart dimmer installation, hub connection animation. Fibaro Dimmer 2 is easy to install, energy efficient, and works seamlessly with smart hubs. Futuristic smart home exterior at night, warm lights glowing, logo fade in. That's it for today. Subscribe to A Smarter House for more smart and useful content. I'll be back soon with more crazy smart home solutions. Till then, keep exploring.